And so we allow the opening within us to the best of our ability right here and right now. Allowing our capacity for opening as it is now to be enough. To breathe in the intention to be perhaps more open. And with each cycle of the breath in and out, knowing that I am the one at choice for how open I am in this moment. I release judgment and simply observe. I'm curious, how open am I right now to being an expression of source light, by whatever name I call this source. How open am I to feeling the vibration of this power and presence? To let it vibrate in my physical body from the top of my head to my fingertips and toes, and every organ, every gland, every system. How open am I to being nurtured from the inside out by this power and presence that beats my heart, that orchestrates all the biochemistry in my body temple. How open am I to sharing this energy of this one source, this one power that is living life as me, through me. How open am I to sharing that with the people in the room? If I could pulse my source light to the people in front of me, behind me, beside me, would I? Could I share this light? Could I share this light with my family and friends who are not in this room with me, wherever they are on this planet, knowing in the quantum field there is no distance and no time? Could I, would I share my light with the world right here and right now to the best of my ability and capacity, and allow that to be perfect right here and right now? Knowing as I give my attention and intention to feeling the source that I am, to being the source that I am, and sharing the source that I am as fully and completely in every moment of choice. And perhaps we put our being on autopilot and ask it to flow out into the world. As we bask in other people's light, we allow others to bask in ours. I invite you to take a lovely deep breath in and sigh audibly on the breath out 3 times. Indeed, let it vibrate down through your body. And you might do a little experiment today, allowing yourself to feel and be and share your light throughout the rest of our time here together in unity. And perhaps you will decide to take that experiment outside the doors and be that light as you drive your car, as you go out into the world. And perhaps you will pre-pave the rest of your day right here and right now with the love and the light that you are. Pre-paving your week with the light that you are as you celebrate the truth. I am light. And I am willing to step into the light that I am to the best of my ability. I see others in my world growing, evolving, and stepping into their light and finding ways to joyfully be their light unto this world. I celebrate that I am a part of this sacred evolutionary awakening.